really nice, exciting, quick cheesecake served with a strawberry and blueberry compote.
Biscuits, blitz, hot pan, sugar,
We're going to form a really nice light golden caramel.
butter,
As the butter dissolves, put in your biscuits. Coat the biscuits in the caramel. They become really nice and crunchy.
cool,
Berry compote.
hot pan, sugar, strawberries, blueberries,
And look what's happening now. You've got that really nice caramel texture. Deglaze the pan with this little baby, a creme de cassis, giving it a really nice dark texture.
cool, cheesecake,
Cream cheese in
vanilla, ice and sugar,
to sweeten up the cream cheese.
mix, lemon, cream, whisk,
You're going to fold the cream into the cream cheese.
fill, biscuit crumbs,
To release the cutter, heat round the outside of the ring.
blowtorch,
Very gently.
compote,
Touch of mint. That has to be the perfect, quick, delicious vanilla cheesecake.
vanilla cheesecake with berry compote. Done.